We're really talking about equations of money and time. Solutions that vary in money and time. I can buy my way into a more comfortable lifestyle, but what I'm doing is I'm taking energy that I have from somewhere, moving it to someone who's going to serve me and make my life easier. And of course, in the process of working for something and getting money from somewhere, there's a huge system there as well. I'm part of a bigger economy, and I'd rather be part of a smaller economy. And that's not a religious point of view. That's not a solid morality thing or ethics. It's a general direction to go in the ways we can do which are intelligent. So I present to people a lot of options on ways to do things a little bit differently, and I share the things that don't work. But I think the big goal we can have together is to reduce our energy use, need less from elsewhere, whether it's labor from far away, need less from systems that we ethically don't like, and learn to do a lot more things locally. It could be ourselves as individuals having more abilities, or people around us in our community. I'm not that handy a person. I'm not that great with tools. I don't really even like physical reality in some ways. I like to live in a theoretical world, but the theoretical world is useless unless we can apply it to the pragmatic one and actually get something done. So I'm okay with my decisions. I'm okay with being a guy who's really not that handy, because I can meet other guys who are more handy, or women who are more handy and can get things done, and I think that's okay. My part is to think about the systems very carefully and to reject almost all of them and to offer solutions that are far simpler and need less extra businesses, extra work, extra special tools, extra special action, extra special conflict and money. We can get out of a lot of that system by simply making a civilization that has the best of simple ways and also the best of complex ways. That's not a Luddite view. That's not a pro-technology view. That is the view that we should intelligently design systems that serve us better than they do now. At this point, I think a lot of civilization is so rich on energy that we just build whatever we can that is big and cool and tasty, and we don't care about the energy costs. Well, we know the results of that, I hope, and it is collapse of civilization. So let's figure out a better way now, or we die. In this space, I'm not going to die right away, I hope. I'm going to keep playing, and I'm going to choose the right products, the right systems, the right tools, and test them out, see how they work in this kind of system. And I hope other people do the same as I'm doing. I hope a lot of people have experimentation like I'm doing, so that we can have a greater consciousness about how we use all the resources we have access to and what the results are for us in making a fulfilled and happy life or not. Haha.